Now, yesterday, reggae superstar Chronixx released the visuals for Black Carbon to tie with Patriots' Victory Day in Ethiopia. Chronixx is featured on the powerful song by a St. Croix roots reggae band, Ethiopia, which looks deeply into racism and declares, "We are carbon copies."
Replicated photocopies, children take a banner. See the same thing on your receipt, on your check and stuff. Talking baby, and if you have to write it down.
So we say humanity celestial.
Von Benjamin, the ultra-prolific singer of Midnight and Ethiopia bands, who transcended in November 2019, has had many posthumous singles and album releases. Black Carbon is one of the most anticipated of these releases back in October 2020. The collab features Von Benjamin's trademark deep roots sound, along with the smooth vocals and cutting lyrics from Chronixx. The single is on the new album Polarites from High-Grade Records, set for release this May. Legendary reggae crooner Glenn Washington has teamed up with Belize reggae icon Pupa Curl on the first single, Holding On Much Stronger, from Tough Cruffy's new rhythm Democracy.
I'm falling in love with an angel. I won't put it down. I will stand firmly holding my ground. No. Mistrust and confusions.
The rhythm-driven album features internationally renowned reggae veterans and up-and-coming artists from Jamaica, Belize, Haiti, and Uganda. The album is released on Tough Cruffy Entertainment label and distributed by Tough Gong International, and is available worldwide on all digital platforms. I'm Daytran reporting for ePrime.